Whether it's a brand new pair straight out of the box, or your favorite pair you've worn for years, applying Repel to protect your shoes against accidental spills, dirt, or weather is a no-brainer. In this video, we'll show you just how easy it is. Here are the materials you'll need. 1. Repel. 2. A pair of shoes, a hat, a bag, a jacket maybe? Repel isn't just for shoes. The material should be clean and dry prior to application. Hold the bottle upright 6 to 8 inches from the material. Prime the trigger several times and spray mist evenly covering the entire surface area. Do not oversaturate. Allow material to completely dry before exposing it to liquid or dirt. A quick note before we wrap up. We do not recommend using this product on raw, unsealed leather, such as vegetable tan leather. When wet, it will permanently darken the material. Always test in an inconspicuous area first.